How do you feel?
Like a cold fart warmed up.
That was actually 1 minute 30. Big around. There you go.
There we go. I'm a tiger.
Very good. Very good.
Can you at least wait till I get a haircut?
It's just for you. This time in 1 year, I will show you the difference. Yeah?
This is not going to happen.
What, in a year?
No, this.
It's gonna stay. Bloody well is. Well, we can estimate. Oh, there you go. 200 per bill. Oh, it's the same.
It's not the same.
Yeah.
I wrote down the one on your sick.
Oh.
Oh, you're off to the gym now. I was wondering what you're wearing.
Yeah, going to the gym. What? Where do I put it?
I mean, no.
Because every...
That's the Monday of every week.
So starting weight. What was it? 200.4?
Yep.
What's your goal weight in 3 months' time?
In 3 months' time.
Mm-hmm.
3 months' time, that would be, let's call it 176.
176.
Excited.
I'll stick them up tomorrow.
Okay. Right.
What?
Still 200.
Yeah.
No, 2.7 kilos.
Broken it.
I like it, no.
Okay, so Rob has just gone out of the room and I'm going to secretly film him and ask why he hasn't had progress over the past few months because he needs to sort it out. Yeah, no, I agree with that too. I was thinking the other day that you haven't actually stuck to your fitness tracker and I was wondering why.
Well, I've been busy, haven't I? Lots of work to do.
Because I feel like you're going to be very disappointed in a few months.
Yeah?
When you don't hit 175.
Probably disappointed now, to be honest. But, I don't know. There's probably more to it, but I don't want to bore you with my
What do you mean?
workings of my mind because, I don't know, I've just been very down and stressed. And sometimes I forget, I guess, that there are people that actually do care for me and I'm not used to that. Don't know. Sometimes I just don't think I'm worth it. Don't know what to tell you.
I feel like you're a bit down in the dumps and you're not putting in much effort and you're going to regret it.
It's just been a tough time, I guess. I've been feeling a little uninspired because I don't really understand why.
Do you feel like you're not capable of losing the weight?
I feel like I'm wasting your time. I feel like I'm wasting everyone else's time. I'm feeling like you'd rather be doing other things. Don't see any value in myself. I can see the disappointment on your face. I can see you really feel like I've dropped the ball, don't you?
Yep, you have. I feel like you're going to regret it in months to come when you haven't achieved 175. And I feel frustrated that you're not taking it seriously.
I need a kick in the ass. I need hard challenges just to keep me interested.
You haven't done anything for the first 4 weeks and I'm worried that you're not going to hit your goal.
I hate asking for help. I just hate asking for help.
Well, I have an idea. Why doesn't Reese train you every Sunday boxing? He mentioned that the other day.
Did he?
I think we should try it. Because that might pick up your motivation because you're down in the dumps and...
Well, martial arts, boxing, that's my thing. And I miss it so much.
Yep.
think I'd be in my element.
Mm-hmm.
Got to get my head right too, though,
Yeah.
Sarah. I really do. I just, now and then, I just think I need someone to reassure me that it's all going to be okay, because I just forget that it is going to be okay.
Yeah.
And I don't know what that okay is.
Exactly. And one day you'll look back on this and realise that things did change for the better because you put the effort in and people helped you and you are okay.
That's right.
So I think going forward, start doing boxing again, do things that make you happy and get you back on the bike.
I moved a couch on my own. I moved my gym around, make it more usable.
Did you use it?
It took me years to move everything else on my own. So I had to lift all the weights, take them off the things, move the holder, put all the weights back on the holder. It was quite the weekend, and I was very, very tired by the end of it. No formal exercise, but there's no way I would have been able to do it. I was too tired.
I think this week we should concentrate on using your tracker on the wall and actually circling off each time you... So you haven't done that properly in a while.
Yep.
Do you think we need to start again from day one on a fresh piece of paper? No. So I
No.
feel like that would motivate me more.
No, because I want to kick my ass when I haven't hit 175.
Oh yeah, that's true. What's your goal weight in 3 months' time?
Let's call it 176.
176. I can do that every now and then, so I can do it before and after. My new 6-week challenge. What week were we on?
Austria.
Oh no, this is hard to write like this. Yeah. So Cole's delivery just arrived. We've both been a little bit ill lately, so he's off today. I'm in the office on my own, so I'm gonna put this food shop away. I'm currently doing this today because I still haven't finished it, and I'm editing the video. So in this bag we have protein, yogurts and stuff. These are all mine. They're Rob's. Chicken, rice. He's literally just having like chicken, rice, broccoli. I was actually a bit naughty and I added like so bad just to have a freezer at work, just for like if I'm really unprepared, I don't want to spend loads of money on eating out all the time. So these are to just go in the freezer for emergencies. But yeah, he's having chicken, rice and broccoli. I'm not sure what he's going to be eating today because he said yesterday that he doesn't have any food at home. So the fact I know he hasn't been shopping and he's got the day off at home, I can guarantee you he's ordering takeaway today.
Don't stop. 1, 2. Straight. Straight. Lovely. Well done.
Not bad for a fat guy.
Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2 hook. Lovely. 2 hook. 2 hook. Yeah, 1, 2 hook. No, you're right. March down. Straight right. Good. 1, 2. Good. Come on. Halfway. 1, 2. Straight. Good. Jab. Double jab. Good. Double jab. Nice. Straight. Good. 10 seconds. Come on. 1, 2. Push it. 1, 2. 1, 2. Big one. Big one. Last one. Wow, lovely. Nice one, mate. It's under there. You just got to bring it back out.
Honestly, I was looking at my arms the other night. I've lost so much muscle mass.
Really?
I had big arms, big legs.
What did you weigh like when you were in your kind of your
110.
best? 110.
I never got much below 10%. Because I was always trying to get my bottom set of abs and never.
Yeah. Really?
Top 6, that was it.
Yeah.
At most.
Oh,
And I couldn't keep them.
going for the bottom too, no?
All 8. Couldn't do it, never did it. Put the drone down, woman. Thank you both. That was a great day. I'd really enjoyed it.
I'm sad you weren't sick.
You said I wasn't sick. Did you get that?